whoever brought education
is expired.
Is expired also. Uganda. So this means, this actually means that we are, this country is full of expiring people.
Actually,
yes.
Half of the population of Uganda
is expired. If not that, 3/4 of the population
is expired.
Hey, because so, now you doctors, some of you are expired.
So if I'm expired,
hey,
the people that I treated 80 years ago,
hey,
does that make them expired or it makes them
dead? Remember, you treated me one time or 2 times. Over how many times?
You are alive by luck.
Trust me now, I will be dead.
You are alive by luck.
But now what are we going to do with our professions? Do we take them back to our universities?
Now,
what are we going to do?
Now, the people that were taught 8 years ago, do they qualify? Does this teacher that taught them, what is the thing there?
Now, the problem is, some of the teachers, actually teachers, most teachers,
yes, are expired.
Are expired. But they have been teaching our children.
Our children that started 8 years ago.
9 years ago.
9 years ago.
They are now,
they are expired.
I am seeing a problem.
They are not qualified.
They are not qualified.
They have to go back.
There you go. So this means that we are going to have people with beards in the nursery.
Because they have to go back
now. They
have
to go back and redo the work.
Everything they did.
But who brought education?
I don't know.
Whoever brought education
is expired.
Is expired also. Uganda. So now, who is not expired?
How about now? Our MPs, most of them
are expired. In fact, if not all of them are expired, because we have a friend of ours who did mass communication, and he's a very big MP, very proud. They always saying, so, you see.
So he must be one of the expired ones.
No, he's expired.
So he has to go back.
You know, redo
the course,
and come back in Parliament
and stand.
So
that he's re-elected again.
But now the people who voted for him, they are also expired. So why don't we just be in our expired country?
But
so
now
everything is expired.
So now the president, our president, His Excellency.
His Excellency.
Do you think he's expired? Oh,
what do you think? You tell me.
No, you tell me.
You tell me.
No, I think it is better.
You tell me.
You tell me.
No, you tell me. Is it expired or not? Because now the level of education now, his education. I don't know. I think he also did. What did he do?
You tell me.
No, you tell me. You tell me, is he expired? What do you think? No, you tell me.
So now, so what makes the two of us?
I think the expired. I think the expired dates. They are just different.
But all in all, it comes to a conclusion that we're expired.
Personally, I'm not expired.
Me also.